Okay, here's another student example for the critique and for Roll My Mailbox. Both the summary and the evaluation need to be developed. They need to meet the basic length of the assignment, but just given the length of the article, um, these summaries need to be a little longer and the evaluation needs to be a little longer. So that's one thing right there that needs to be worked on. I also need to get, I really do need to get the name of the author up front too, and I get the name of the article, but a lot of this, all right, is just the student's interpretation of of the article. I'm not sure that Bob Greene ever mentioned the road going green, for example, stuff like that. Um, Now there are some specifics. For example, the 25 pieces of mailbox that if that determine whether a blue mailbox gets flagged or this number here, and they need to be cited better. You need to have parenthetical citation anchoring them right to the exact spot of the article. And also we need to see the main point. So the summary needs work. Now down here in the evaluation, the student quickly shuffles off into a sort of a personal "I felt this way" response, or "it felt this way to me." It posed these problems that are idiosyncratic to me, or person specific. For example, I considered it a somewhat difficult to read. Don't ever let someone know that, whether it's difficult for you to read or easy. That shouldn't make its way into what you think of the person's main points, how the person made the points, the techniques used, the data used, the implications drawn, that sort of thing. Um, Other things, the author voiced his opinion of a subject he knew what was a great change in our society. There's some diction and syntax problems there. That doesn't seem to make sense to me. And one that not many people stop and think just where those big blue boxes go. I found myself thinking, wow, you're right. I've never seen just like payphone. So again, there's a move into well, this is how I'm personally responding to it. This is the memories that are triggered by Greene's article. Um, so both the subject, the summary and the evaluation of this essay need to be shored up with, a better logic, a better foundation, a better analysis of the data, a better presentation of the data up here in the summary. There's just, I feel like whoever wrote this is dealing with 6 or 7 strands of rope that they're trying to weave into a solid pattern, but it just gets away from the writer, the student writer, and things get a little frayed and frazzled and unconnected. So this would probably be around a B or a B minus because I know it has potential to be much better. And it does meet some of the basic points of the assignment, so it would be some sort of B.